Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Nil no Wakwezonu.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, I'm make it alone. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Shakom, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So, shout out to Marshall. That's right. Give it up for Michelle for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day gift. So I asked Michelle to describe herself for me and talk to me about her life goals and her plans and things like that. And one of the things that she said was that she wanted to start up and open her own cleaning business. So I started thinking about it. I was like, all right, cleaning, putting things together, fixing things up. What's like a good Igbo name for her? And then I came up with a Chimezirim. Come on, say that with me. Chimezirim. Good. All right, so I'm gonna translate that name for you. Chimezirim. So chi can mean a few different things. In this context, it means God, right? Mezie means like to fix up or to organize or to like put together. And that word, and then im, that M sound at the end, it just signifies that you're referring to yourself. So when you put those together, Chimezirim, that means God fixed me up well, or God put me together, God put me in shape, right? So Chimezirim, they have the power to be very highly organized, great planners, and very methodical and effective. So share this video with all the Chimezirims that you know. Thanks. All right, so let me know what you think. If you're a fellow Igbo speaker, let me know. Did I get the translation right? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. All right, so please like this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell button so you can be notified anytime that I post a new video. So if you would like your own Igbo name, hit me up on my Instagram DM in the description and I'll gift you one. And if you're Igbo, let me know and I will feature your Igbo name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. All right, thanks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.